have relations.
Is it sexual?
Yeah, man. He told us that he'd met her in a bar. We knew she didn't go to any bar, so we knew he was telling us lies at that point in time.
Gravely's account appears to be a desperate attempt to explain why his DNA was found on Stephanie's body without admitting to rape.
You know, we were hanging out, and she started talking crazy, man. She started telling me she was going to tell my girl about us, and I couldn't have that. We got to arguing, and
the fuck are these two idiots doing?
got out of hand.
Sure.
I hit her, man. I didn't mean to. It was just a reaction, man, because she wouldn't stop talking.
Sure. What happened?
I blacked out. I mean, it was just the most bull story I've ever heard in my life.
All the evidence gathered by homicide detectives points to a very different version of events the night Stephanie was killed.
That night, Stephanie separated from her friends. She was walking down Pearl Alley at the wrong place at the wrong time.
This guy just hit this guy.
It was just after 2:30 a.m.
Look at this motherfucker.
What is he doing?
What the fuck is he doing?
Oh my god.
What the
That
fuck
guy
is he
is
doing?
crazy.
Is he having a heart attack or something?
Dude, that guy is crazy. What is he doing?
Let me tell this guy I have on camera.
Yeah, his car
Camera.
broken up.
I got it on camera, bro.
The guy behind you too, yeah.
I got it on camera.
Oh, well, he didn't hit me. He hit that one.
Oh,
Which-
he did?
Look,
Oh, hit the truck?
yeah. In the back corner, the Texas cutting is
What is he doing?
He is
I'm
all over the place.
Yeah, I'm calling the police on this one. Yo. Here, roll the window.
His bumper's like hanging off and everything. But like, why is that Civic like they're both following each other?
Definitely police. There's this car on traffic. It's hit several cars now. And he's still driving. He's not pulling over. He's just swerving left and right, bumping into all. I'm on the 35, just outside, just north of Austin, headed northbound. It's a white Honda Accord.
Oh my god.
Oh, he just crashed into the curb. I'm on mile marker 248. I have it on dash cam too. This guy's just all over the place. He just lost his front bumper, and he still is not stopping. I don't know if he's having a medical emergency or something, but something's wrong. Oh yeah. Now he's back in the middle lane, and it's really slow traffic too. So yeah, I'm trying to get it. It's too.
a white Honda
Let me
Civic.
try and get a little bit closer. He's about to hit someone else. Oh man. Oh yeah, he just rear-ended another car. It's N. Is that an M? Let me get a little closer. N M.
Yeah, N.
Yes.
NNK? No, NNM.
It's Texas, yeah. I've not seen it yet. A lot of cars have now stopped. I don't know what they're doing. Yeah, we're still in the northbound lane. It looks like he finally stopped because the person he rear-ended is not moving, so it looks like he's finally stuck behind him. He just hit a white Dodge Durango. Yeah, and now he blocked like 2 lanes. Looks like they're pulling over now.
Oh gosh. Oh, he's going.
Oh, he's still going. Oh, he just
Oh
took out
my
a sign.
gosh.
NNM. Yeah, now he's stopped to pull over. I think he might need an ambulance or something. Okay, I'm now driving past them. Looks like other, but we're right outside a little strip mall. It looks like on the side.
Yeah.